Today guys, we're going to be talking about this closet. From that closet to this. Let's jump right into the video and I will share with you guys how I come up with this.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy, yeah, she give me pommy.
Hey you guys, welcome. Today I bring you guys along with me to declutter my linen closet. My linen closet is a hot mess. Let's go over and open up the linen closet. Yeah, you can see it's a hot mess, from comforter to towels to toilet papers all over the place. So today I decided that I want to revamp this closet. So I went and purchased some baskets to try to organize things and put things where they should be, really where they're supposed to be. So without further ado, yeah, I also picked up this. I'm not sure which one goes where, but we're gonna get started. So I pulled everything out from the closet. Oh God, unbelievable for me to know that I have some of the bed linen that has been sitting there for so many years that we don't even use. So cleaning up, cleaning the shelf, mopping the floor, even some of the bed linens are still in there in the package from the same day that I purchased them. You know, you buy things and you just shove them inside the closet and you don't remember to put them exactly where they belong, or you don't even remember to use them. You don't even remember that you still have those products sitting in the closet. So tidying up the closet help me and can also help you to figure out what you need and what you don't need. So let's move over to how I really organize that. So all over here are the big bed covers and the comforters. I put them on the upper shelf. Starting from this side, over on this side here, I organize all the bed sheets according to the bed size. So I put all the king sizes on one side, and then those are the queens. The kings, the queens, and the queens. So those are the sizes of the beds that we have in the house. And over here on this corner are the pillow shams. So I folded all the pillow shams and then I put all the shams together on one end. And then in this cute, those ones here, so these ones by the walls are the face cloths. So I put all the face cloths together. I folded them up and I tucked them all in one small basket. Over here in this basket here, and this one here, the second basket here are the hand towels. So I put all the hand towels together, all tucked in the little basket. On the little corner here are some of my candles. I put all the colored towels together, and next to the colored towels, so at this corner here towards the end are all the white towels. White towels. Down here are more towels over here, more towels over here. In this cute basket here are some of the pillowcases. So I roll them up and I put them also in the white basket, pillowcases. Over on this side, so over on this side here are some of the bed linens that are still in the package. So I left them in the package. Over here are still some of the bed linens in the package. So what I love the most is how I use the baskets to organize the toilet papers and the paper towels. Look at that. Do you like which? So let me know which one you like the most. For me, let me tell you which one I like the most. I love the toilet papers and the paper towels right at the bottom of the closet. I think it's so cute, and everything is all tucked in. Looks so nice. So the key thing here is that we're gonna work so hard to maintain this. Yes, we gotta work hard to maintain. So what I'm gonna do here to make this entire linen closet smell so fresh all the time is I'm going to mix up the diffuser and leave it right inside this closet. So I have the diffuser water here. So here is the diffuser water. I bought this the way it is. It has a little bit of fragrance in that, and you can still add more fragrance. I love lavender, so I will add a few drops of lavender. Voila, this is going to smell so nice in the linen closet. So all you need to do is so this really helps to make the linen smell fresh anytime you open up the door to pick up a towel or the bed linen. Everything smells so fresh. So guys, let me know, which one do you like the most? Do you like how I folded the towels and then I sorted them out by the colors, or do you like the bed linen or the basket at the bottom of the shelves? Oh yeah, lest I forget, you guys will be wondering where I get the baskets. These baskets are not really expensive. I picked them up from the dollar store, but they are not $1. They are $4.50. If you are in Canada, I picked them up from Dollarama. If you don't live in Canada or you live in United States, I know there are other places where you can pick up those baskets. First of all, I went to Walmart, and then those similar baskets were selling for $16. But you know, I have to get it on a deal, right? So I went over to dollar store and I picked them up for $4.50. This big one here, this big one is $4. So guys, leave me your thoughts and your comments. This week is we're doing lots of closet revamp. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me your thoughts and your comments, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, I am waiting so much to know what you guys think about this entire closet. Bye for now. Love you. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, click that red button, subscribe, and share the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.